Ramey, it's your deal, your way.
Come test drive the 2021 Sienna. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, rear quarter windows, power, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, auxiliary engine cooler, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, leather trim seats, airbags, driver, knee, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio internet radio, iHeartRadio, audio internet radio, slacker, airbags front, passenger seat cushion, audio, speed sensitive volume control.
For years, Ramey Auto Group has been doing the deal with our customers.
We do the deal. Times are changing. We're still doing the deal, just better.
Now you can shop online and do your deal your way, from shopping to valuing your trade and negotiating a price. You can do it all from home. Ramey is making your deal easier and giving you the most convenient car buying experience around.
Most of our customers that start their deal online are in our showrooms less than an hour and on the road in no time.
So check us out at yourdealyourway.net and find a new way to do the deal only at Ramey.